What's up, y'all? So I'm going to show y'all how I made this cute little set for my son. I just wanted to play with it. I had found this shirt at a store, and I kind of like the color and the fabric, so I was like, I'm gonna do something with it. It was a little big, so I just cut off the bottom, and then I used the bottom to like add some stuff to the jeans. This is like an interfacing that I put on the fabric to give it more like durability, I guess. Like, it wasn't as flimsy, if that makes sense. So I'm just ironing that on so that it can be a little more stable when I do attach it to the jeans. You guys can kind of see a difference right there. And then I'm just going to place it on the jeans like where I wanted to go. I didn't know what look I was going for, so I just was, just putting stuff down as I went. And I just used like a glue gun, but it was like a Gorilla fabric glue that I was putting on. So when we wash it, we shouldn't have no issues or nothing like that. I know I wanted to add like a V to the front of it. I didn't want to do too much because I don't like when jeans have like all that graphic stuff on there. Like, I just feel like it looks so cheap in the way. So I just went with, something simple, and I just glued it down. And I did stretch the denim just a bit so that way it can lay flat. When I got to the circles, I just cut out some different sizes. I don't know if y'all can see what I used, but I just found like different things that had a circle on it, and I just traced it out and then put it on the jeans. And also using that interface, it made it easier for me to attach that part to the jeans. So this is how everything was looking together. Like, I really like the circles, and then I just went straight to this shirt. The shirt was too big, so I took it in about 1.5 inches on the sides and under the armpit, and then I cut off that additional fabric that was right there. And after I did it, y'all, the shirt was too short. Like, I wanted it to be like a waist length male shirt, but it was just too short, so I just used the leftover fabric that I put the interface on and just sewed it to the bottom, and it just gave it like an extra look. After doing that, I got some vinyl that I had, and I just cut it out and put it over that tag, because I don't know what that was, like a work shirt or something, I don't know. So I just put that there just to give it like a pop of color. And then I sewed on my label that I ordered from California. I forgot the name of the place, but this is the outcome. I love how it looked. I'm trying to get my baby to like not be more of a big boy, like I'm not rushing him, but he is going to the 9th grade, so I'm trying to like get him to be into, fashion and clothes like a little bit more. He's starting to like get his own thing together, but he's still like kind of shy and introverted. But I like how it came out. I can't wait to do more stuff with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you have any questions, just post them here, and I'll be sure to reply to everyone.